The last method that we're going to talk about in our Solving Quadratics unit is how you can solve by using the quadratic formula. This is a great method to use if you are starting with decimal coefficients, or if you know that you're going to have decimal answers, or if you just want to use a formula. So if you look at the quadratic formula, it says let a, b, and c be real numbers such that a is not equal to 0. The solutions can be found by using the formula x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. And so really all you have to do is to be able to look at your quadratic equation in standard form, which means one side is equal to 0, and identify your a, b, and c values. So if you look down here at example 1, if you wanted to use the quadratic formula, what you would need to identify is that your a value is a 1, your b value is a 3, and your c value is a 2. And that is really all that you need to be able to use the quadratic formula. Plugging those values into their location in the formula would give you x equals, it's the opposite of your b value, plus or minus the square root of your b value squared, minus 4 times your a value times your c value. And then all of that is divided by 2 times your a value. And then we're just going to start simplifying. If we focus under the radical sign, we can do a little simplifying under there. 3 squared is 9, minus, and then 4 times 1 times 2 gives you 8. And then again, on the bottom, 2 times 1 gives you 2. So you can see that it simplifies rather quickly. Again, focusing underneath the radical, 9 minus 8 is just 1, so we really just have the square root of 1 over 2. And really, the square root of 1 is just 1. So what we end up with is negative 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Now remember, there's actually 2 solutions there. We are going to work out negative 3 plus 1, which is 4, divided by 2. Oh, excuse me, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, divided by 2 gives you one solution of negative 1. The second solution is using the subtraction part. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4, divided by 2 gives you a solution of negative 2. And there are your 2 solutions. That's where your parabola would cross the x-axis.